हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मेरे यहाँ पे टेमू का पार्सल आया। तो टेमू इज़ अ वेबसाइट जहाँ पे आप चीज़ें ऑर्डर कर सकते हो। आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर चाइनीज़। इट्स लाइक अ मिक्स ऑफ शाइन एंड विश। बहुत दिनों से जर्मनी में जो भी लोग रह रहे हैं, नॉट जस्ट माइन बट काफ़ी मेरे दोस्तों को भी ये टेमू के बहुत एड्स आ रहे हैं एंड इट्स डर्ट चीप स्टफ़। सो ऐसे मैंने एक वॉशिंग मशीन देखी जो 3 यूरो की थी, तो मैंने सोचा चलो लेट्स ट्राई। ऐसे मेरे साथ पहले स्कैम हुआ था। मैंने 20 यूरो का कुछ ऐसे ऑर्डर किया था और कुछ नहीं आया था। तो देखना था मुझे कि टेमू भी सेम स्कैमी वेबसाइट है क्या। तो मेरा पार्सल अभी आ गया एंड लेट्स चेक आउट हाउ इट इज़ द क्वालिटी गुड। क्योंकि मैंने स्टोरी में डाला कि मेरा टेमू का पार्सल डिलीवर हो गया एंड ऑलमोस्ट 10 मैसेजेस इंस्टेंटली विद इन 30 मिनट्स आ गए कि कैसा था रिव्यू, कैसे प्रोडक्ट्स है, क्वालिटी कैसी है, मुझे भी ऑर्डर करना है। तो लेट्स डू अ ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स आई ऑर्डर्ड एंड द कॉस्ट। तो यू नो आई एम अ वेरी कॉशियस पर्सन, तो मैं ज़्यादा स्पेंड नहीं करती। 20 यूरो इज़ लाइक आई थिंक आई स्पेंड 19 यूरोज़ in 5-6 things. So let's check the quality now. This is the parcel that I received. So let's do the dissection. Packing is very good and everything is there inside. So this box and some more stuff here, and oh, everything is in separate boxes but packed together. That looks good. And this looks like the folding washing machine that I ordered. I wanted this since a long time क्योंकि काफ़ी छोटे छोटे कपड़े होते हैं जो नॉर्मल वॉशिंग मशीन में डालने का मन नहीं करता। So that's why I thought मुझे एक छोटी वॉशिंग मशीन जस्ट फॉर स्मॉल क्लोथ्स लाइक सॉक्स हो गया या फिर हैंकरचिप्स हो गया, जो अगर बड़ी वॉशिंग मशीन में डाले तो कलर भी चला जाता है। सो आई वांटेड समथिंग सेपरेट। दिस इज़ दैट। सो क्या पहले रिव्यू करें, इसको हम साइड में रखते हैं एंड लेट्स चेक आउट द छोटी सी चीज़ें फर्स्ट। This is lint remover. So this is something I was looking for on Amazon and I had found Philips lint remover, but the problem was that there was nothing left. So stock was completely over and I tracked it for I think 2 weeks. It was unavailable. So I found it on this Wish website. अभी Amazon पे कुछ देख लो तो उसके ऐड आने लगते हैं, तो इसका ऐड आने लग गया था मुझे Temu पे and that's how I discovered it. So this is how it is. This is the lint remover. What lint remover really does is जो कपड़ों पे, वुलन कपड़ों पे स्पेशली जो धागे आते हैं या फिर जो बॉल्स फॉर्म होते हैं छोटे कॉटन के, that is removed with the help of this. So let's do some demo if possible. ये है इसका चार्जिंग सॉकेट, चार्जिंग वायर साथ में ही आई है. So this is the charging socket and this wire came with the box and that's all in the box. There is this brush with which you can clean it because वो सब कपड़े जमा हो जाएंगे इसमें कपड़े का leftovers. Let's try removing the lint from this pant. You can see here there are a lot of thread kind of balls forming. So let's try to remove it. Magic. Do you see here there were so many balls and all of them are gone. Let's try on the other side. You see this? There's something like that. This is before and after. Good like new, right? Let's try again. As good as new, both the sides. I'm so happy. I wanted this product since long. I'm going to use it on all my woolen jackets and other things. Time to open our next one. Next product. So most asked question when I put it on the stories, when did you order it? Even the postman that came to deliver this thing asked me ki, when did you order this Temu? Even I want to try it, and Alibaba is not a good one. Alibaba is taking too long and he wants something quick. So I ordered it on 30th of May, and today is 6th of June when I'm filming this. Came on 6th of June, so that's a pretty good timeline. If I had not received it today, I had received it after 13th of June, then I would also get extra 5 euros and I can use it for shopping. So I was wondering ki, or I was thinking ki, yaar, I'll let it come after 13th of June, so maybe I could order something more. But it came early and no good shine, no coupon, 5 euro coupon for me. So this is the next product. This is a sewing machine, जो stapler sewing machine होती है इंडिया में, that kind. So here is something to put your thread, like this one. This is for smaller thread if you have this, and this is for longer threads. So Germany may I have just the longer threads which I bought from India. Smaller ones I don't have, so I'll use this one here. And they have already put the thread. There's already white thread in it with the needle, and the thread is also put in the needle, so whole arrangement is done. If I want to start sewing, I can do it immediately from today. I have to check how this works. Oh, it's easy. Just do this and your cloth will get stitched. This is an old t-shirt, so let's try to stitch it. So you need to lift this up, put the cloth inside and stitch. Oh, it's too gadbad. It's not stitching the way I want to. It was stitching it, but when I pull it, the thread comes out. So I don't know how to use it. Ya fir this is faulty. Let me try the last time. Something got stitched, but it's not that neat. So I'm really doubtful on this if I'm using it right or it's not good. If anybody knows how to use this thing, then tell me in comments. Next one is this. It's an oil spray like this. I bought it because we have an oil spray, but it sprays like a straight line, and this one will spray like a spray. So for air fryers, people who have air fryers, it's very useful as it sprays evenly on whole food. Let me fill it up and let's test. So I filled it up with oil because it's new one and I need to wash it and dry properly before putting oil in it or using it for food and consumption purposes. I filled it up with water and let's test. It's really good. It really sprays like a spray. So the whole purpose of buying this is solved. I got this for just 2 euros or something like that. And when I checked this in normal German or also in Italian supermarket, it was no less than 10 euros. So that's a steal. Now going on to our finale product, the most awaited one. I'm waiting for this from past 4 years and it's here. This is, as the box says, multifunctional folding washing machine. So do you think I'll get scammed? Pause this video and comment if you think I'll get scammed, and then unpause and watch ahead. This is it. At least I'm not scammed. I got an actual machine. Now I have to test if it really works. This is the lid. Easy to open and close. Then this is how it looks on the inside. And instruction manual. So you need to use only with water which is below 60 degrees of temperature. 60 degrees Celsius. Nothing outside the machine should touch water. You can add water directly in this bucket. There is a drainage plug here. So once you are done washing, you can drain the water from here, and the functionality is here. 10-minute wash, 15-minute wash, or 2-minute super wash, and this is the switch. Just long press for 2 seconds and it will start. Let's try this. This is how it is on the inside, and I think you have to put this. Yes, it fit directly, and the cable. This is the cable. Where can you add it? You can add it directly here and plug this in and start washing. Let's try this machine now. Wait 10 minutes standard washing and 2-minute semi-dehydration. Means there's also a dryer inside. I'm really blown away with what they sent because I was scammed before this. And this machine is just for 375 euros. Unbelievable. So this
3.75.
Yeah, 3.75 euros, which is unbelievable. And this is the soap that we use. We don't use the powder or anything else. These are very sustainable and environment friendly. So this is how you just put it. And I'll add some water. I'm putting water in this. I'm so scared to start this using a 3 euro washing machine. So the soap has already started to lather. Let me add something to it. So these are 3 pairs of socks that I'm putting in here. It doesn't fit that much, but I'll have to add more water. So I put 3 pairs of socks and putting more soap in it. Let's see. And time to start it. So just press on switch and it started on its own. Oh, the lid. Nice. What do you have to say about the machine? You were there when I was scammed last time.
Yeah, I thought it would be scammed this time as well because the cost was so low.
Last time I paid 20 euro and was scammed. Now again I paid 20 euro for 6 different things and just 375 for the machine, and we are not scammed.
Now it got balanced.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Now I will wash it and let you know the review of the dryer also. It is fitting so perfectly on my kitchen platform. You see the sink here and the plug there. It fits perfectly. It's really handy. See, it's not even the size of 2 full hands. Okay, Krupesh is very excited first time to come in the vlog because it's a funny story.
So the last time she spent 20 euros for the same kind of machine. At least it was shown like the same kind of machine, and she got just this.
So
I think I don't know what it is, but maybe it can be used like a fruit bowl. Or
this was to put inside the machine and wash it. So the picture that they gave, that was of this thing. So what it was, that this was folded like this and the picture was showing this being kept like this. So it was a scam, and when I checked the ad again, when I scroll that picture, next picture was washing machine and the price changed to 200 euro. So first picture the price was 20 euro, which was believable for a discount for washing machine, and when you scroll the picture the price changes. So be aware of such scams.
So I did not let this go for the last 3 years. I reminded Priyanka all the time. Even before she booked or she was buying this, I reminded her like 100 times that check if it is just the lid of the machine or something like that. but this time it was
This time successful for just 3.75, €3.75. It's unbelievable. Let's check how it washes. I hope it lasts at least 1 year now. Cloth wash is done. Soap wash. Now we'll put water again. Clean water with no soap so that it's cleaned. Second wash with clean water. Let's stop it directly with switch button and now remove the water.
this is